Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex and today our word is build, an A1 level verb meaning to construct something. So, build means to create something by putting different parts or materials together. We often use it when talking about houses, buildings, or anything that involves construction. For example, they're going to build a new school. Some synonyms for build include construct, assemble, and create. You might hear someone say they constructed a bridge over the river, or the team will assemble the furniture tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., or even, she created a model airplane using simple materials. Now, let's look at antonyms of build, words that mean the opposite. Antonyms would be destroy, demolish, and ruin. We can say, the storm destroyed many houses, or they will demolish the old building, or he accidentally ruined his drawing. You can use build in everyday life when talking about building a sandcastle or building a career, like she's building a successful company. Also, you can hear people say, he wants to build a strong relationship with his family, or they're trying to build a better world. Some more sentences with build are, we're going to build a tree house this weekend. Or, can you help me build this model? Or, the company is trying to build a brand image. So, to summarize, build means to put something together, and it's often used in construction or in creating relationships or plans. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show. Also, write your own sentence about build and share it in the comments below.